What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. Most of you already know 25 basis point rate cut. We love to see it. So we're going to take a look at Gala 0.01815. We're up 0.02. Let me quickly just do a refresh. Yeah, I thought so. We're actually up 8%, 8.29, 0.01815. Senior market cap, 834 million, 24 volume, 130 million. So if we pop into the chart, this is what I like to see. We're about to put in 5 waves off this low. So off the low here of 0.01512, 5 waves up, looks like ABC correction. And now it looks like we're about to make 5 waves off this low right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just want to quickly measure this wave 3 to see that it hit the proper target. Yeah, perfect. See that? You see that? 161.8 Elliott wave. Elliott wave is the best. So if we can put in that 5 waves, then it's likely we'll see the straight breakout. Of course, we can do something like this. 5 waves up, pull back, boom, continuation. But if we just push all the way up and break the bullish level is right here, then you can see that's more confirmation, 0.01877 for Gala. Let me look at Gala. Yeah, this is beautiful. So we're just about to break this wedge. I was showing the 2 targets in the last video. If we break that wedge, that will take you all the way up to this neckline and break the neckline of this massive double bottom at 0.02554. So it's looking good. I'm liking what I'm seeing. As long as we can get that 5 waves, then we can see a straight breakout. If we were to roll over from here, then you can go A, B, C. But right now, it's not looking like the more probable scenario. Currently, we're in 3 trades. They're all doing well. If you want completely free access to my trading group, take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to BITUNIX. This is one of the top exchanges. You can watch my full length tutorial, which is at the end of the video. Once you sign up, take 30 seconds, no strings attached. Send me an email. I'll send you the link. Includes my daily crypto analysis in my Discord for all your favorite coins, including Gala. My crypto trade setups, we're in 3 trades. We just smashed Ethereum. That's only a 2x leverage trade, almost 300% gain. We're in 3 other trades, Ethereum, Giga, Turbo. Take 30 seconds of your time, sign up to BITUNIX, and I'll send you the link. That's it. Just send me an email. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.